Look at that little tail wag. He's so excited. Good morning, besties. Merry Christmas Eve. I am so excited that we are vlogging together today because today is the cookie bake day. Oh my God, there's a hair in front of my camera. I hope that wasn't impeding your view of me. Start off with the morning dog beef going down on my kitchen floor. I'm trying to get them out of here because I'm trying to sanitize my counters. I already vacuumed. I'm probably gonna have to vacuum again. I did a few things this morning and last night, so I'm gonna show you right now. Is complete. Whoops. Let me show you all the work that I did in here. So here's a little fridge tour. So down here I have all my small Zevias. This one's fruit punch. This is Nick's little random drawer of just random stuff. And then this is more Zevia over here. We have all of our sparkling waters, mineral water, coffees, Cokes, Diet Coke, Dr. Pepper, all of Nick's stuff basically right here in his Red Bull, all of my Zevia and Olipop. Nick loves that orange juice and apple juice. He loves Fiji, so I got him some Fiji, protein shakes, lemonade for Nick, strawberry lemonade for me, and more Pellegrino if we want a can. Over here is just a little random section, so the extra coffee, Monster, and water. I have more protein shakes over here, vitamin waters here, and water bottles here. It's finally done. It's gorgeous. I'm so happy. And also, I'm just loving this light that I put up. So gorgeous. Luke is coming. I gave him my app and he's getting us some Starbucks, so I don't even have to make coffee, which is great. I was just about to, but thankfully he's coming in clutch and picking it up. I just made a big ass water. And I'm gonna do a little bit more prep. I have a Publix order coming in today, like I talked to you guys about before. I need to put that away before everybody comes. And it's 8:32 and they come at 11. So we have some time, which is great. On the to-do list before the bake, all of these things, which I've completed some of them. So I'm going to cross off what I've already done. I did this with you, need to do that. I did this, working on that, need to do that. So there we go. I can't remember if I showed you this mirror. So here's the stockings all hung up. And here is the mirror. It's hung up on the wall. It looks so nice. I'm so glad it's finally off the ground. Bathroom is almost done. I have some paintings to hang up, but it's looking really good in here. And I'm obsessed with the door handle. It's so cute. And then if I want to take any selfies, I can do it right here. I went ahead and fixed the wire, so now you can't see it under there. And it's looking so gorgeous in here. I'm so happy I got a second round of the ornaments. They look gorgeous. whole cookie bake today. Everybody left. They helped me clean up, which was great. And the pecan pies were still cooking, so I was letting them cool down before I came in here. I'm gonna put my gloves on. I have these food safe gloves, so I'm gonna use them. My hands are clean. I did wash them. I just like to, I don't know. I just don't like to touch food that people are gonna be eating if it's not like right now. We had a really good time. We frosted so many cookies. It was really fun. These pecan pies came out to die for. I have the best recipe that I make. I will be putting them on my blog, so I'm not gonna release the recipe yet because it's something that I've like developed over time now. I'm just gonna get these all in here, and I need to make a little separate bag for Luke so he can take some home. I wish I could send you all so many pecan pies. These are just so good. I don't make them with corn syrup, and they turn out fantastic. They do have like a little bit of that gooiness, but it's not like a traditional pecan pie where it's like super over the top gooey and sweet. Like this one is super, super balanced, and it's not super sweet, which is how I love pecan pie. And the crust is still buttery, and it's kind of like fake flaky because it's not like an actual like buttered laminated crust that I had to keep cold and all that. Like you guys saw, you can just whip it together and roll it out, and you literally cannot overwork this dough. It's great because there's so much fat from the butter and the cream cheese. It keeps the dough from getting overworked, so that's why you're able to, you saw me rolling it and rolling it and rolling it. If this was like a traditional pie crust, I would not have been able to do that. And also, side note, my biscuits you saw me making yesterday, I rolled those out a ton too because one, there's a really high fat content, but also my batter was a little wet. I should have added a little more flour or a little bit less buttermilk, but I figured it'll be fine because I'll just let them hydrate before I put them in the freezer. So that's what I did. But anyway, I'm gonna finish putting these in these little containers. I need to set some aside for Luke. Just finished one of the white elephant gifts. It just needs to dry. So Sunny as a puppy's on the bottom and Buddy as a puppy is on the top, and we got their paw prints, and it came with these little things to press them in. We went to Walgreens and just printed out the pictures. So this is gonna dry. It has a frame that came with it. I need to wrap the 25 $1 bills for other Secret Santa, but I think this is so, so cute, and I just might have to win this for the Secret Santa. We'll see though. I think it's so cute. Buddy's hanging out with me at the table while I wrap this up. Actually, I need to let it dry, and then I'm gonna wrap those right now. It is time for me to go to sleep. Well, I need a shower, do my nighttime routine, but I am so tired. Let's do our advent calendar though really fast. We are on day 24. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick. That's so cool. I currently don't own it, so that's fun. We have the grand finale tomorrow. I hope you all had the best Christmas Eve ever. I had a really fun day today. I can't wait for tomorrow, but I do need to end the video here because I have to go get things done. So I love you all, and I'll see you tomorrow, actually. Bye.